How to select any music from your device as a ringtone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can do this. First of all, make sure you download audio of the song that you want to make a ringtone of. If you have already done so, then go on the music app that you already have on your phone. So if I want to edit this one audio as my ringtone on my phone, then what I can simply do is on the top right side, you can see there is the option of 3 vertical dots. Now on the second option, there is the option of ringtone editor. When I tap on this, it says me to select a clip from the song. So I can select any certain clip that I want to put a ringtone from this particular song on my device. And after that, I can simply tap on set as ringtone and it will be set as my ringtone. And I can also set as my alarm from here. Again, tap on top right side and you can see there is the option of ringtone editor right here, and there is also the option of sleep timer also. So you can also set as your timer as well. In your alarm as well, you can simply go on the alarm and select certain music and set it. So this is how you set certain music as your ringtone. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment for more video suggestion like this.